5 foods that fight inflammation and back pain. Back pain is one of the most common health complaints, often caused by inflammation in the body. While medications and physical therapy can help, your diet plays a huge role in managing and even preventing inflammation. Certain foods have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can naturally ease discomfort and support overall spinal health. Here are 5 of the best foods to fight inflammation and reduce back pain. 1. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are well known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Omega-3 help lower levels of inflammatory proteins in the body, such as C-reactive protein, CRP, and cytokines. Eating fish like salmon or mackerel just a few times a week can help reduce swelling in joints and the spine, which may relieve chronic back pain. Bonus: fish is also a great source of vitamin D, which supports bone health. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Its active compound, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Studies have shown that curcumin can be as effective as some over-the-counter pain medications in managing pain and inflammation. Adding turmeric to soups, stews, or even smoothies can offer daily relief. For better absorption, pair it with a little black pepper. 3. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. Dark leafy greens are packed with nutrients like magnesium, iron, and calcium, which are essential for muscle and bone health. They're also full of antioxidants and plant compounds that combat inflammation. Magnesium, in particular, can help relax muscles and reduce spasms that may contribute to back pain. Aim to include greens in salads, smoothies, or sauces every day for ongoing benefits. 4. Berries, especially blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Berries are nutritional powerhouses full of antioxidants called anthocyanins, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. They also support immune health and help repair tissue damage, including in the spine and joints. Regularly eating a cup of berries can promote better mobility and lessen chronic pain symptoms over time. 5. Nuts and seeds like walnuts, almonds, and flax seeds. Nuts and seeds contain healthy fats, fiber, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Walnuts, in particular, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, while flax seeds offer lignans and fiber that help regulate inflammation. These can make an easy snack or be added to oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. Just a handful a day can make a real difference in how your back feels. Final thoughts. Chronic back pain can seriously impact your quality of life, but small dietary changes can go a long way. Incorporating these anti-inflammatory foods into your daily meals may help ease pain, support spine health, and even reduce your reliance on medications. Remember to combine good nutrition with regular movement, hydration, and rest for the. Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.